Hey, just me making another video, but this video is a bit different. If we go over most of my videos, I'm showing you ways to make money online today from a computer that you might be able to do from a phone, but it won't be very efficient. It will be kind of inefficient to do so. But in this video, we'll talk about the 10 best apps to make money from your phone in 2020 and in 2021. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, so subscribe if you're new. Me and my team, we have 3 video editors. We try to upload up to or over 3 videos every single day for your value, for your benefit. So if you appreciate it, make sure you also support the channel by giving us a like. That's all. You know what? We can return the favor. I will shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below, or your Instagram account, your TikTok account, your YouTube channel down below. Take it, put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, so I've got a few of the apps already downloaded and the rest I'll show you because some of them might only be available on the iOS store, some might only be available on the Android store. The first one is actually Make Money. This is a very simple app. You basically do tasks that give you points. Each 1,000 points is worth around 80-90 cents or so from what I see, and you get 30 credits for just registering. I have a link for the app in the description down below and in the first comment if you can't see it. But for just downloading Snake Blast and getting to level 300, which might take a while, but in all honesty, you're just literally playing a game from your couch and making, $1.50 for it. Then you have other apps like Cyber Ghost that can earn you like nearly 10 bucks, Raid Shadow Legends, and so on. And you basically get paid out in PayPal. So it's very simple to use. Pretty much everyone has PayPal. And the second app is actually Actionable. It tells you to do surveys. You have some surveys, and from my calculation, they give you 11 euro cents. That's like $12 cents. So $12 cents multiplied by 60, that's like $7 an hour if you can complete one survey in 1 minute. That's way more than the minimum wage in my country and probably where you're from. Even for the United States, it's not bad because you can do it while you're, at the bus stop at school and so on. It's not that hard. And again, you can cash out via Revolut. That's something cool. I have a link for Revolut down below. You get some free balance if you use it. It's a very simple app to use. The third app is the Opinion app, but I want to actually show you the fourth app because it's even more interesting. It's actually Cash for Steps. The cool thing about Cash for Steps is you make cash for walking, literally. Daily check-ins, new record. You gotta beat some records, you have some results, get some bonuses, special offers, random bonuses, contest and make cash. If you get to first point, you get 15k points, daily check-ins, you can find new friends, chat with friends, and then withdraw via Amazon or PayPal. So that's super simple. The fifth app is actually the Earning Cash app that you can make money now with. And you basically have some available offers like transportation preference survey, brand preference survey. You basically get paid in PayPal for just answering questions. It's super simple. And the cool thing about surveys is everyone has an opinion, and it's a cool way to share your opinion and also get paid at the same time. The sixth way is Make Money Big Token Cash app. They have very easy surveys and they pay you a lot for your referrals. Again, all these links, they'll be in the description down below. If you like them, you can just download them from them, all of them, and then participate in all of them. Because the more apps you have on your phone, the more surveys you can do per day. Something interesting, it's number 111 in finance in my country. Something more lateral, something that not everyone will think about is selling your photos. Everyone has heard about Shutterstock. You can sell photos online because brands are looking for them. They will use them in their commercials, their thumbnails, a lot of stuff in their magazines. So if you're doing a lot of photos, just cool photos, like someone just taking a photo of their dog, spring walk with your dog, laugh and smile, all of these photos, they can earn you some money. So you can use an app like Fope to do that. Okay, so the eighth option is actually Make Money Big Cash Rewards. You can make some PayPal money with them. Again, you complete some tasks. You have food survey, console surveys. You can literally talk about your favorite games or food and make money Wow, you read it. Number 9 is actually the YouTube app. It's really weird that someone will say that, but the cool thing is I've made $452 in the last 28 days, probably around 500 in the last 30, and that's, consistent passive income that I'm getting. If I stop uploading videos, I'll get these results just because I'm uploading a lot of videos. All of them are searchable content. If I go on analytics right here, I go on discovery, you see that most of my traffic is search, and then the external is just still Google search. So starting a YouTube channel, and I have a lot of tips on this YouTube account, is definitely one of the best money making apps you can do. And the last app that you can make money with is actually Instagram. I cannot tell you how much money I've made from this app. I've received so many leads, so many new customers, and all of them high ticket, just DMing different people, talking with, starting conversations, building a network, and got to meet a lot of cool people. If you appreciate this video, if it helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Remember, this is no financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence, and by the end of this video, you should definitely watch one of these videos. See you next one. Bye.